10th class RANGAREDDY paper, practice paper, February 2024. In this video, I'll explain part B, which consists of like 20 questions. Each question carries like 1 mark. So, this paper is from Rangareddy district, Telangana. So, now here, the first question, each question carries like 1 mark. The first question is slope of the line joining the points. Here the points are like a minus 3 comma minus 2, b 3 comma minus 2. So slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So minus 2 minus of minus 2, because x1 y1 x2 y2 by 3 minus of minus 3. So in the numerator, minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 by 3 plus 3. So 0 by 6, which is nothing but 0. So the correct option is A. Which of the following quadratic equation has no real roots? So to decide the nature, we need to find the discriminant. So if we'll take the first question, x square minus 8x plus 16. So here, if we'll compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c. So the value of a is 1, b is minus 8, c is 16. So no real roots means b square minus 4ac should be less than 0. If it is less than 0, no real roots means the value should be b square minus 4ac should be negative. So here in the first one, first option, if I'll check, b square minus 4ac minus 8 whole square, 4 into 1 into 16. 8 square is 64 minus 64, 0. So here b square minus 4ac is 0. Roots are real and equal. Real and equal. So A is not the correct option because we want no real root. So b square minus 4ac value should be negative. Now, x square minus 8x plus 17. So in this again, if we substitute the values of b square minus 4ac, so b value is minus 8, a is 1, c is 17. So 64 minus 68, which is nothing but minus 4. So b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots. So here the correct option is B. So if we'll check for the C and D also, like C, I'll check for C. B square minus 4ac minus 8 whole square, 4 into 1 into 15. 64 minus 60, which is 4, greater than 0. So real and distinct. And if we'll check for the last one, b square minus 4ac minus 8 whole square minus 4 into 1 into c is 0 because we don't have constant in this D option. So 64 minus 0, 64. So greater than 0, real and distinct. So here the correct option is B. If A, B, C are in AP, if A, B, C are in AP, A, B, C. So A1, A2, A3. The condition is A2 minus A1 equals A3 minus A2. So B minus A equals C minus B. So B, if I'll bring this over here left side, B plus B equals A plus C. So 2B equals A plus C. Or you can say B equals A plus C by 2. Or directly you can learn the formula. If ABC are in AP, then 2B is equal to A plus C. So B equals A plus C by 2. So the correct option is B. Next one. Probability of selecting out a face card from a deck of cards, 52 cards. See, face cards, 52 cards is divided into 4 suits, diamonds, hearts, spades, clubs. So each like 13, in each suit 13 cards. But if you'll see, face cards are like king, queen, jack. Here also king, queen, jack. King, queen and jack, and king, queen and jack. So total face cards are like 12. 3, 3, 3. Total 5 squares are 12 and out of 52. So if you'll cancel with 4 table, 4 times 3, 4 times 1, 4 times 3. So total is 3 by 13. So the correct option is here A. Next one, radius of a circle whose center is given origin 0, 0 and a circle passes through 5, 12. So if you find the distance between these 2 points, you'll get direct the radius. So if one point is origin and the other point is like 5, 12, so the distance formula also you can use like x square plus y square, or you can use x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But if it is one point, if it is origin, directly you can use x square plus y square. So 5 square plus 12 square, which is 25 plus 144, 169. So it is 13 units. 13 square is 169. So the correct option is D. Next question. The line y equals x plus 7 cuts x-axis and the intersection point of y is equal to x plus 7 and x-axis. See, any point on x-axis, x value will be, but y value will be 0. So to get a point on x-axis, substitute in place of y 0. So 0 equals x plus 7. So x equals minus 7. So the point where it meets x-axis is minus 7, 0. So the correct option is A. Next one, common difference. So common difference, how to find common difference? Like say 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, so on. Common difference formula is A2 minus A1. So here 1 minus 3, which is nothing but minus 2. So the correct option is D. Next, the last question, centroid of triangle whose vertices are. So 3 vertices are given 0, 0, 6, 0 and 0, 12. So we need to find centroid. Centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So here x1 is 0 plus, here these are the values, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So if we substitute the values 0 plus 6 plus 0 by 3, 0 plus 0 plus 12 by 3, so nothing but 6 by 3, 12 by 3, so 2, 4. So the correct option is C. Number of tangents can draw to a given circle. See, for a circle we can draw like infinite tangents, infinite number of tangents. So the correct option is D. Next one, sum of the roots of the quadratic equation. So the quadratic equation is root 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equals 0. So sum of the roots is nothing but alpha plus beta, so minus b by a. So if you'll compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. The value of a is root 3, b is minus 6 and c is 2. So here the value of b, so b value is here like minus of minus 6 and a is root 3. So you will get overall 6 by root 3. So if you will rationalize root 3 by root 3, 6 root 3 by 3, which is nothing but 3 times 1, 3 times 2. So 2 root 3. So the correct answer is B. Correct option is B, 2 root 3. Next question. Condition for two linear equations are inconsistent. Inconsistent means parallel, where we will not get the solution. So condition for parallel lines is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and it is not equal to c1 by c2. So the correct option is C. Next question. The angle between a tangent to a circle and the radius at the point of contact. See, angle between radius and tangent is always 90. So the correct option is D. Next problem is based on like probability of an event plus probability of a not event is 1. Event is 0.47. So probability of a not event they want. So probability of a not event is 1 minus 0.47. So that is 0.53. So the correct option is B. 1 minus 0.47 is 0.53. Next, the relation between radius, slant height and height of a cone. See, if we will consider this as a cone, this is radius, this is height, and this is slant height, and the angle here is 90. So if I apply Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals sum of the squares of other two sides. So L square equals h square plus r square. So the correct option is here C. L square equals h square plus r square. The total surface area of a cube is 96 square centimeters. Then the side of a cube. See, total surface area formula is 6a square is 96. A square is 96 by 6. So a square is 6 times 1, 6 times 6. So a is root 16, which is nothing but plus or minus 4. But these are the surface areas topic, and edges length cannot be negative, so plus 4. So the correct option is B. Next one. Area of a sector with radius 7 and angle 90 degrees. So area of a sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. So 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. 9 times 1, 0, 0 cancel, 9 times 4. 7 and 7 cancel. 2 times 2, 2 times 11. So we are getting 77 by 2, which is nothing but 38.5 centimeters square. So the correct option is A. Next one. If two coins are tossed, then the probability of, see, when two coins are tossed, the sample space will be head, tail, head, tail. So total how many outcomes? 4 outcomes. So we need to see outcomes in this way. Like total 4 outcomes. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. So probability of getting 2 heads. Total outcomes 4. 2 heads is only 1. So the correct option is C. Next one. If 7 by 2 x 2 by 7 are in GP. So A1, A2, A3. So A2 by A1 equals A3 by A2. So if we'll simplify in this way now, we'll substitute the values. A2 is here x divided by 7 by 2. That equals A3. 2 by 7 divided by x. So here you will get x into 2 by 7. Here you will get 2 by 7 x. So if you cross multiply, x square equals 2 by 7 into 7 by 2. Everything cancel, you will get like 1. So x equals root 1, which is nothing but plus or minus 1. So the correct option is A. You can do, if you know the formula, if A, B, C are in GP, if you will consider this as like A, this is B, this is C, then the formula will be B square equals AC. Then directly you will get x square equals 7 by 2 into 2 by 7. 7, 7 cancel, 2, 2 cancel. X square is 1. So x is plus or minus 1. Next question. Surface areas of two spheres. Here, surface areas of two spheres are in the ratio. So two spheres I'll consider with radius 4 pi r1 square. The other one I'll take 4 pi r2 square. They are in the ratio 4:9. 4 pi cancel. r1 square by r2 square, I can write r1 by r2 whole square equals 4 by 9. So r1 by r2 is root 4 by 9, which is nothing but 2 by 3. but they want the ratio of their volumes v1 by v2. So volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube, 4 by 3 pi r2 cube. 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancel. So you'll get here r1 by r2 whole cube. So r1 by r2 is 2 by 3 whole cube. So which is nothing but 8 by 27. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So 8 is to 27. So the correct option is C. Next, which of the following cannot be the probability? See, probability is probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes, it may be 0 or it will be equal to the total outcomes. If it is 0, the answer will be 0. If it is equal to the total outcomes, the answer will be 1. So, or you can remember the other one, the probability of an event will be less than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 0. Means it lies from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. So, this is possible. And 5 by 6 is 0 point something, will get again, this is also possible. And it is also 0.5, 0.78 bar. So this is also between 0 and 1. So this is also possible. See, option B is the correct option because 1.5 is not possible. Probability cannot be more than 1. It should be from 0 to 1. So 0.78 if you write in P by Q form, you will get a proper fraction. So that is also, it can be a probability. And so the correct answer is here B, 1.5, because probability cannot be more than 1.